Okay, so what I want to do is make my slip knot and make a multiple of 3 plus 2 chains. So maybe I'll make about 17, and I'll see you when I finish doing that. So now I'm going to pick up 1 stitch on each chain. So there we go, 1 stitch from each chain. And I should have 17, which is a multiple of 3 plus 2. So this is our base row, and all return rows are the same. So you pick up, take off 1, pick up, take off 2, pick up, and take off 2, pick up, take off 2, pick up, take off 2, pick up, take off 2, and you do that all through the row. You have your initial rows, and what you're going to be doing next is yarn over and pick up 1, pick up 2, and pick up 3. Now the yarn over, you pinch on it and you pass it through the last 3 that you picked up. And now you have the initial stitch and the 3 that are tied by that yarn over that you passed through. Let's do that again. You're going to yarn over and pick up 1, pick up another, and pick up another. So now you have your 3 pickups, and the yarn over, you pinch and you pass it through the last 3. So let's do that again. Yarn over, pick up 1, pick up another, pick up another, and then the yarn over, you pinch it, and it goes over the last 3. Let's do it again. Yarn over, pick up 1, 2, 3. The yarn over, you pinch, and you pass it over the last 3. Yarn over, pick up 1, 2, 3. The yarn over, you pinch, and you pass through the last 3. And then the last stitch, you go through the 2 of them and pick up. So now you have all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your 2 edge ones. And you take off the same as always. Yarn over, take off 1, yarn over, take off 2, yarn over, take off 2, the same as every return row. And that's it. It's only these 2 rows, and I will see you at the end of this one so we can start the next one. But it's really, really easy, and it becomes very pretty. So I finished the return row, and I'm going to do the same. Yarn over, pick up 1, 2, and 3, and the yarn over, you pinch and pass it through the last 3. And then again yarn over, pick up 1, 2, 3, pinch the yarn over and pass it through the last 3. And I will come back and show you what it looks like after a few rows. And so this is the way it looks once you have, I made several rows. And I think I'm going to be making washcloths because this is cotton. This is 100% cotton. And that's what you want for making washcloths or dishcloths. So this is very, even for dishcloths, because this is a little bit like, it has a texture to it. This is the wrong side, not bad at all. So thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. Thank you.